Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral and the area. We need to find the area under two curves in here. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about intersection first because we need to find the intersection so we can find the bounds in here. So we got about this one, so we move negative y on the right, so you got about s equal to y minus 1. We put about s equal y minus 1 in here. Negative 1 plus 3, you got about positive number 2, and you got about y squared minus y minus 2 equal to number 0. So to find the intersection, we need to find the solution of this one. So you got about y equal to negative number 1 and y equal to number 2. So we want to find the area based on y in here. So we got about s equal to this one. For this one, you put about negative number 3. Next, we know that if we look carefully, this one is above this one. So we have the integral in here from negative number 1 to 2, and we got about y minus 1 minus y squared minus 3 everything dy. And we can find the area of this one. So we got about negative y squared y, and we have negative plus y, and we have negative number 1, and we have negative with negative, you got about positive number 3. 3 minus 1, you got about number 2. And now we can put the answer in here. The integral of y squared, you got about y to the power of 3 over 3, y squared over 2, and 2y. You got about negative number 1 and number 2. We put the number in here, and the answer is about 9 over 2. That's the end. Thank you for watching.